Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can see the send follow requests on Instagram that are not accepted by others. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open Instagram, and here you see Instagram is open in front of us. Now we have to click on the profile icon, and after that click on these three parallel lines and then go to your activity, and here go to the bottom and you will see download your information. Click on it. After that write out your email and click on download, and here you need to provide the password. Enter your password and click on enter, and here you see your download is requested. It is written as that it take about 48 hours, but it will not take 48 hours. It will be mailed you earlier than this, so we will get back to you when we receive that email. So here you see email has been received, and this is the email, your Instagram information. And after that click on the download information button, and you need to open it on your browser. I'm going to open it on 1DM browser, and after that you need to provide the password of that your profile, and after that click on login button. And here you see you have to click on download information, and after that click on the start button to download this file, this information, and it will take a moment, and after that your download will complete. And here you see our download is complete. Now just open this file. So here in my case this is the zip file, and it is open in my Android device. If you are trouble opening this file, so simply go to the Play Store and download this RAR application, and then this file will open on that application. After that just scroll down here and find follow and following, and after that click on following. So these are the IDs that we've sent the request, but they are not accepted. So let me show you an example. So we are going to click on that and open on Instagram, and you see this is the profile we are following, and we are going to unfollow it. So in this way you can easily know which are the people that haven't accepted your friend request. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.